Today see about how to legend solve mathematics sums. Following for first sum 6 plus 2 minus 8 equal to what? How to solve method 6 plus 2 first for 6 plus 2 equal to 8, then 8 minus 8, so 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So 6 plus 2 minus 8 equal to correct answer for 0. 0 is a correct answer. Next question for 4 minus 4 plus 3 equal to what? How to solve? First for 4 minus 4 equal to 0, then plus 3. So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. 0 plus 3 equal to what? 0 plus 3 equal to 3. So 4 minus 4 plus 3 equal to 3 is a correct answer. Any doubt, comment. Then next question for 8 minus 1 minus 3 equal to what? First for 8 minus 1 subtraction method, 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Then again 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 subtraction method, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So correct answer for 8 minus 1 minus 3 equal to 4. 4 is a correct answer. Then next question for 5 minus 2 minus 2 equal to what? Then solve for 5 minus 2. First for subtraction method, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Then again 3 minus 2 subtraction method, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So 5 minus 2 minus 2 equal to 1. 1 is a correct answer. Next question for 6 plus 4 plus 8 equal to what? How to solve? 6 plus 4 addition method, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Then 10 plus 8, then addition method, 10 plus 8 equal to 18. So correct answer for 6 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 18. 18 is a correct answer. Then next legend sums 2 minus 1 minus 1 equal to what? 2 minus 1 subtraction method, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then again 1 minus 1 subtraction method, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So correct answer for 2 minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 is a correct answer. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, subscribe, then share, then comment our channel.